Guys, I just found a hacker that's pretending to be cool kid and he's trolling other people. He left. But good thing I got his username. Hold up, let me show you for proof. He's actually hacking. He's pretending to be cool kid. But he's not cool kid, but he's still a hacker. So report him. Totally report. This is the user. This is the user. I forgot the username, but he's wearing a cool kid. This is the username. Hold up, hold up. Yeah, this one. This dude is a literally hacker. He's pretending to be cool kid, but it's so obvious to his skin color. But still, he's a hacker in natural disaster. He's pretending. He also used real hacks, I think, or that's just Delta.